Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unhide columns in Excel. Let's get started. Generally, it's quite easy to spot the hidden columns in a spreadsheet. One way to find them is to look for a double line among the column headings, such as this one. The skipped letters of the alphabet are another sign of recognizing that some columns have been hidden. And now, it's time to learn two simple ways to unhide these columns. Here's one of them. First, you need to select the columns you want to unhide. You can do this by selecting one column on the left and one on the right-hand side of the column or columns you want to unhide. Right-click, find the Unhide option, which will make the hidden columns visible again. These columns will then appear in the table on the screen. And if you want to print the sheet, they will also appear on the printed copy. Let's undo the changes now to look at the other way to unhide columns in Excel. Once again, we'll select the columns we want to unhide in the same way as earlier. Go to the Home tab, Cells section, choose the Format option, then Hide and Unhide from the menu, and click on Unhide Columns. Well done! Before we wrap it up, I've got a couple of handy tips for you. If the hidden column is column A, the very first in the spreadsheet, you will need to select column B first, which is the column on the right, and then highlight the row headings containing numbers on the left. This is how you highlight the hidden column A from both sides, and you can easily unhide it now. Let's undo the changes to see the second useful tip. If you want to unhide all columns in the whole spreadsheet, click here in the top left-hand corner. The whole sheet is now highlighted. Right-click on the column headings part, pick the Unhide option, and all columns in the whole spreadsheet will become visible. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.